Imagine this: you're deep behind enemy lines, the sky thunders above, and out of nowhere, a hulking machine slams into the earth by parachute. Not empty, but fully loaded with elite Russian paratroopers, ready to strike in seconds. This isn't a movie. This is the K4386 Typhoon-VDV, Russia's most fearsome airborne combat vehicle. Designed to survive landmines, shrug off ambushes, and hit hard with heavy firepower, all while being light enough to fall from the sky, this machine is redefining what it means to be fast, protected, and deadly. The K4386 Typhoon-VDV isn't your average military truck. It was born out of a bold vision to give Russia's airborne troops, the elite VDV, their own mobile fortress. Not just a ride, a weaponized war chariot. Developed by Rem Diesel, a branch of the mighty KAMAZ Group, this machine is purpose-built to fit the unique demands of airborne warfare. You need something light enough to drop from a plane, but tough enough to keep your troops alive when they hit the ground running. At the core of the Typhoon-VDV is MRAPDNA, mine-resistant, ambush-protected. Every inch of this vehicle is sculpted to deflect, absorb, and survive the unpredictable violence of modern combat. Its V-shaped hull redirects explosions away from the cabin. The body is wrapped in composite armor and specialized steel plating. And its 4x4 configuration makes it agile enough to dance across mud, snow, or shattered roads. The inside of this beast isn't cramped, it's calculated. Seats are suspended to absorb shockwaves from IEDs. The cabin is pressurized and ventilated, with built-in protection from chemical and biological threats. Let's talk about the big guns. Sitting on top of the Typhoon-VDV is the 32V01, better known as Spitza. This remote weapon station is no joke. Armed with a 30mm 2A42 autocannon on the same monster used on BMP infantry vehicles, it can rip through enemy infantry, vehicles, and fortifications. It's paired with a coaxial 7.62mm PKTM machine gun for sweeping fire support. And here's where it gets sci-fi. The Spitza is fully stabilized, has automatic target tracking, day-night optics, and can fire while the vehicle is in motion. The gunner stays safe inside, viewing everything from a control screen. Need a smoke screen? No problem. The Typhoon can launch smoke grenades to blind enemy optics and reposition. Despite the armor, this thing moves. Powered by a 350 horsepower KAMAZ diesel engine, it can hit 130 km/h on road and cover over 1,200 km on one tank. With adjustable suspension and independent wheel systems, the Typhoon-VDV handles rough terrain like a pro. It climbs 30-degree slopes, crosses rivers, and barrels over rubble without flinching. Here's the crown jewel: air deployment. The Typhoon-VDV isn't just dropped from planes, it lands with troops already inside. That's right, no assembly, no delays. This gives Russian airborne units a huge tactical edge, instant mobility the moment they hit the ground. NATO has nothing quite like it. And the Typhoon-VDV, it's not a one-trick pony. There's a version for just about every battlefield role. Show different variants, animations labeling key features. Typhoon PVO, air defense variant loaded with the GLA or Verba missiles to shoot down enemy aircraft and drones. Typhoon Kleshy, minesweeper variant with auto-deploying mine launchers, lays 60 mines in one go. 2S for one drock. 82mm mobile mortar system fires direct or indirect even while on the move. MTRK variant, recon model with drones, radiation sensors, night vision, and long-range comms. ZASPN experimental, equipped with deadly Cornet anti-tank missiles, goodbye enemy armor. Introduced in 2017 and fully adopted by 2020, the Typhoon-VDV has already seen action, especially in Ukraine. It's been used in rapid assault missions, ambushes, and mobile support roles by Russia's airborne forces, but it's not invincible. Some units have been knocked out by drones and long-range missiles. This proves that even MRAPs need smart strategy, not just armor. So what does the Typhoon-VDV really represent? It's not just hardware, it's a doctrine, mobility, protection, speed, firepower. All in one airborne package, with modular upgrades, battlefield survivability, and combat-proven variants. The Typhoon-VDV will remain a centerpiece of Russia's quick strike forces for years to come. It's not perfect, but it's bold, it's innovative. And in the high-stakes chess game of modern warfare, it's a piece you don't want to underestimate. Thanks for watching Squad Machine. If you're fascinated by next-gen war machines and battlefield tech, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you ride into combat in a Typhoon-VDV?